Okay, I'm just going to show you how to work this Google Sheet for your word problems. So this Google Sheet is very similar to the word art or the math art that we did a couple weeks ago. It is conditionally formatted. So I've already preloaded some of the answers in here, and so things will change colors as you put the right answers in. So I also want you to show your work, and this is how I want you to do it. So here is our math problem. It's in Miss Nazarella's piggy bank. She has 5,698 pennies and 302 dimes. How much money does she have in total? So I can't do that in my head, so I'm going to show you how to use a MathSpace. So you're going to have to turn on Equatio. So we've used it in the past, but it's up here with your Google extensions. It should be right beside Google Read and Write. So it'll open down here. Then this one here is called MathSpace. It's going to take you to a different kind of tab. So I can't really remember what the problem was asking me, so I'm going to come back. So it says here I have 5,698 pennies. So I'm going to do the math here. I'm going to grab the freehand drawing, and it was 5,698 pennies. And so a penny is worth 0.01 of a dollar. So I know that I have to, when I'm timesing a hundredths, I'm going to have to move the decimal this many places. So that's 1, 2. So that means my answer is 56.98. Easy peasy. So, but now I also have dimes. So I don't really remember how many dimes I had. So I'm going to go back. 302 dimes. So 302 dimes. A dime is a tenth of a dollar. So it's going to be 0.01. And so my answer here is going to be $30.20. So now I'm going to add these up. So I'm actually just going to move this out of the way so that I can line it up here. So I would do 56.98 plus $30.20. And I've lined up my decimals. So 8 plus 0 is 8. 9 plus 2 is 11. I'm going to regroup. 6 plus 1 is 7. And 5 plus 3 is 8. So I have a total of 87.18. So now I personally want to see your work. So you're just going to press this over here, and it looks like sort of like a camera. So if you press this, insert, I'll show you what's going to happen. It's actually going to insert a picture of your work here on the page. So now you can kind of see it's a little big. So you just have to make it a little smaller. And then you could just drag it over here where it would actually fit. So now I can see, as your teacher, I'll be able to see your work. And so now I'm going to type the answer in here. And even though it's a dollar amount, I'm not going to add a dollar. I'm just going to write 87.18, and I'm going to press enter. And if it turns a different color, it means I got the answer right. And it has turned green, so I know I've gotten it right. And then you're just going to keep on solving them. And as this is turning, as the squares are turning a different color, it means that you are right. And if it doesn't turn colors, then you've had some sort of calculation error, so you should go back and recheck your work.